Oh no, I just did. Hello? Oh, I'm just letting the dogs out at your house. I have the hiccups. Oh no! Oh, also, one way to get rid of the hiccups, scare yourself, alright? Scare myself because I want to say something. I can't believe I had the hiccups. There was something really scared me. Wait! I can't eat. She said my hot is next. Let me take that off. Oh, it saves me the most. Oh, ni don't say it. And more advice. Didn't work? Well, try harder, alright? Bye. Back up. Alright. Wait, is that a... Okay, park. Okay, unbuckle. Let's get out. What are you doing? Wait a minute. He was just right here. Where could he have gone? I mean, he is... Why is Jason at my house? Oh, God. Yeah, wait a minute. The video chats. Oh, no. He is at my house. Maybe he's inside. Let me go check. Jason? That hurt. Oh, Jason, you okay? Yeah, I don't have a hiccup anymore. Okay. Wait a minute. What is your concrete right there? Oh, yeah, because I got in the head. You got hit in the head with it? Yeah. Oh, my God. Because that's my left here. Hold on. I got security cameras. I got them set up on a You know that laptop you were using in my house? Yeah. Wait, you were on that? Yeah. The security cameras are on that. God dang it. You were on my laptop too? I checked the cameras. Alright. Well, I was going to go check the cameras to see if you're lying to them or not. If you're lying to me and not. And that's it. Are you okay? I knocked you. Help. Where am I? Oh my God, it's coming from the sewers. Oh God. Who are you? I'm Pennywise. Alright, I'm coming in. Okay? Oh, yeah. Huh. Oh my God, I swear to God, if I get knocked out one more time, I'm gonna bite somebody. You don't have any. You okay? Alright. Oh, I know a way to get rid of your hiccups. Ah! Ow! Oh, good. Wait a minute. You don't have the hiccups anymore. You don't have the... You know, I'm not doing this crap. No, we're not doing this. Ow! We're not doing this crap. No, the video's over. Now! No, I'm don't... No! This is your fault.